Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up LifeLock identity alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download and set up LifeLock identity alerts, first, ensure that you have a secure internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type LifeLock and hit enter. Click on the official LifeLock website link from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to begin the account creation process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Fill in the required fields and create a strong password. After completing the form, review the LifeLock plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Once selected, proceed to the checkout process. Enter your payment information to finalize your subscription. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Next, download the LifeLock app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once the download is complete. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. The app will guide you through setting up identity alerts. Enable notifications for alerts to stay informed in real time. After customization, explore the app features to familiarize yourself. Congratulations, you have successfully set up LifeLock identity alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.